What's going on, ladies and gentlemen and beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to give you a really quick tutorial on Metatrader and how it works. So you could download Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5. I still use Metatrader 4. Once you download Metatrader into your mobile device and you open the app, you're going to be prompted to either log into an existing account or to simply start a demo account with Metatrader. Most people will start with a demo account so they can get some practice in. However, if you already have a funded broker account, you can simply log in to Metatrader using your broker credentials. And this is how you do it. So first order of business, if you're not in the welcome screen doing it, then on the lower right hand side, you have the settings button. So right from here, okay, you could click on new account, and then you could log into existing account, and you could use, all right, whatever server your broker account is using and actually log in to your broker account using the Metatrader platform. Now, Metatrader, what it is in its full form, it allows you to actually analyze the market and execute positions right on this app. And since your broker is connected to it, it allows you to do this in a very quick way. Now, the first screen that you see over here is the quote screen, okay? Now, you can add currencies by clicking on the upper right-hand side plus button. You can add whatever you want in there, whether it's currencies and Forex, or if it's indices. All right, let's say, for example, we go to US 30. All right, click done. And now we have US 30 on here, okay? Now, from here, you can actually click whatever trading asset or currency pair that you want to click on, all right? And then you'll be left with these three options, right? Number one, you could trade, which will bring you right to the trade order screen. Now, before you enter a trade, okay, you see this market execution. If you just click on that, the pending order options are going to be present, all right? You're going to be able to see it. Now, right over here, 0.05, that basically is your lot size amount. Now, you know a micro lot is 0.01, so this is 5 micro lots, okay? A mini lot is 0.10, okay? And a full or standard lot is 1.00, okay? So that's basically what it is, just to give you a quick recap. I know some of you saw my videos earlier, okay? Stop loss is basically your safety net. This is the exchange rate that is your safety net. So it prevents you from losing more capital than you are willing to lose on a specific trade. And take profit is where you're going to enter the exchange rate of where you anticipate the market being at, whether you fully anticipate the market being at that level or not. Basically, it's a way for you to exit the trade in profits as long as it satisfies you. Now, you can use the long or short position tools on TradingView to help you calculate that when you are conducting your technical analysis. You could do the same conducting your technical analysis here on the Metatrader app or on the web version. Okay. Now, my favorite quote screen is the advanced quote screen because I'm able to look at the spreads on the left-hand side. So that way I know how much is this trade going to cost me in transaction fees. Spreads are how the brokers get paid, right? And it's measured in pips. So let's just say, for example, if I wanted to trade on AUD/JPY, okay, I see that the spread is 7 or 8, and it's kind of fluctuating, 6, 7, 8, whatever the case may be. Let's just say 7, right? I would need to score 20 pips, all right, in order for me to net 13 pips, okay? So whatever the spread is going to take away from the amount of profits you are actually generating. So keep this in mind, right? Just like the simple order screen on the upper right-hand side, I could click the plus button and I could add whatever other trading asset or currency pair that I want to add. Let's say I click GBP USD, click done. Okay, now I have GBP USD on my advanced quote screen. Here's the chart. All right, and on the chart, there's specific functionalities. I firmly believe that everyone should be doing their technical analysis on a big screen. So even an iPad, right? So it could be an iPad, it could be a laptop, desktop, whether it's MacBook or iMac, whatever the case may be. I definitely recommend a bigger screen to do a full-on analysis. Now, I can turn this over to the side, right? And I'm able to see kind of more of a zoomed out view as to what's going on. And I need that. That's something that I like. That's something that I need. But your phone could only last for so long as far as battery is concerned. So a desktop is really the best option. If you have a stationary trading setup, then that's pretty much going to be the best. Now, you can use these functionalities to add indicators, right? You could add a few things over here. So let's say you wanted to, start from scratch. Okay, let's go to main window. Okay, boom. Let's say we wanted to add, I don't know, parabolic SARs. We could do that. If we wanted to add something else, all right. If we want to add objects, then we could do that, right? Let's say we want to mark up support and resistance, whatever the case may be. All right, let's add the Bollinger Bands again. Why not? Okay, boom. See what we can find in here. All right, money flow index. All right, so you can add indicators on here as well. Of course, it looks better when you turn it to the side. All right, you can kind of get a better look as to what's going on. You can add your drawing tools on here, which you're pretty much limited in that function. So this is why the web version, the desktop versions, the laptop versions, even the iPad versions are just so much better, right? You have more variety. This is for any active trades that you may be on. So let's say I took a quick trade, okay, boom. And let's just say I entered a sell. Okay, boom, there we go. Right, now this sell is activated. Now keep in mind, because of spread, almost every single one of your trades is going to start off in a negative because you have to pay, right, the transaction fee first, right? The brokers do that through spreads. So it may be a while before you start seeing this in the blue, okay? Now, here's where you do your transaction histories, right? And so this is when I got funded, okay, by this prop firm, the funded amount. I have quite a few prop firm partners, and that's something that is going really well right now. But anywho, when you're on this settings screen, again, you can use a lot of these different, settings to change things around. So let's say we go to charts, boom, I could go and I could change my colors around however I see fit to really give it a nice customized experience. Now, there has been some nightmare situations, I'm not going to lie, where I would be in the middle of a trade and then my phone dies. That is the absolute worst thing that can happen, especially if you're nowhere near a charger. And before you know it, you can end up losing a lot, especially if you don't put a stop loss. So keep in mind that risk management is insanely important. It's the single most important thing when it comes to trading, and that is risk management. All right. So keep this in mind. Keep several devices at bay for, your trading journey, and you'll be okay. I really hope this tutorial was helpful and easy for you to understand. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, happy trading.